Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send messages to your contacts using strike-through text on WhatsApp. So let us guide you through it. Alright guys, this trick is actually very simple. Launch the WhatsApp application, for example, on your Android and access any chat or conversation with your contacts you like. So let me go with that contact here for demonstration purposes. And as you can see here at the bottom of that chat history, I sent already a strike-through text message. Let me show you how you can model that. So what you want to do is tap into that message or text field at the bottom to type in or to enter a new message. So let me this time type in something like yo bro or something like that. It's just an example anyway. And once you have entered your message, guys, tap into this symbol or button here in the bottom left corner, question mark 1, 2, 3. After that, tap into this button here, equals / lower than in the bottom left corner, and that is going to give you access to these special characters and symbols. So what you want to do, guys, is place that symbol, that wave symbol you see here in the top left corner, at both ends of your message at the end of it. So simply tap onto that wave button, and after that move the cursor to the beginning of your message, and again add another wave icon or symbol like this. And that's basically it. After that, your message will be automatically converted into a strike-through text so that you can now send it to your contact by tapping into that arrow to the right icon here. There you go. It is very, very simple, as you can see. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.